everyone, today we're gonna talk about, and today is my topic related to has been, have been and had been. People always get so confused in this topic. They always get confused that where they will use had, where they will use has, and where they will use have been, has been and had been. Do you know that very well that has is the singular word. You will use has in the singular form, then you will use has. He, she, it, that, this. It's a singular word, then you will use has. Okay, when I, we, you, they, that, those, these words, for these words you will use have. And had is the same for both singular or plural because it's the form of past. This is the past form. Okay, had. So let's see the example. Had been, has been and have been you use when you are doing something continuously. Okay, when someone is asking to you, तुम सुबह से क्या कर रहे थे? What had you been doing since morning? तुम सुबह से क्या कर रहे थे? What had you been doing since morning? Okay, let's see the second example. मैं सुबह से स्टडी कर रही हूँ. I have been doing study since morning. मैं सुबह से स्टडी कर रही हूँ. I is the plural form. Okay, I have been doing study since morning. And people get so confused in since and for. Since you will use for the fixed time when time is fixed, and for you will use when time is not fixed. Okay, since you will use there. Let's see the next example which is related to for. यहाँ 3 घंटे से बारिश हो रही है. It has been raining for 3 hours. For 3 hours. We have used here for because we don't know which time was started. Okay. It has been raining for 3 hours. 3 घंटे से बारिश हो रही है. When I say to you यहाँ 3 बजे से बारिश हो रही है, then you will use here it has been raining since 3 o'clock. Okay. Or let's see the next example when you will ask question in this kind of form. Okay. क्या तुम सुबह से डांस नहीं कर रहे थे? Had you not been doing dance since morning? क्या तुम सुबह से डांस नहीं कर रहे थे? Had you not been doing dance since morning? क्या तुम 1 बजे से नहीं पढ़ रहे थे? Had you not been doing study since 1 o'clock? Here's the fixed time, so I have used here 1 o'clock. Okay, let's see the next example. वो दिल्ली में 2005 से रह रही है. She has been living in Delhi since 2005. जब मैं कहूँगी कि वो 5 सालों से रह रही है, then you will use here she has been living in Delhi for 5 years. Okay, we don't know which was the time. Okay, so you will use there for 5 years. मैं 2 घंटे से काम कर रही हूँ. I have been doing work for 2 hours. मैं 2 घंटे से काम कर रही हूँ. When you will make this sentence interrogative, then you will use प्रश्नवाचक. जब आप इसको वर्ड बनाओगे, then you will ask to them, had I not been doing study for 2 hours? क्या मैं 2 बजे से पढ़ाई नहीं कर रही थी? Had I not been doing study for 2 hours? 2 घंटे से पढ़ाई नहीं कर रही थी. Then you will had I not been doing study since 2 o'clock? क्या मैं 2 बजे से पढ़ाई नहीं कर रही थी? Okay, this kind of sentence you can make for many. Okay, वो सुबह से खेल रहे हैं. They have been playing since morning. वे सुबह से खेल रहे हैं. They is the plural, so I have used here have. Okay, they have been playing since morning. वो सुबह से खेल रहे हैं. Okay, I hope you have enjoyed my class and you understand that where you will use this kind of sentence. Thank you so much for watching my video.